Getting warnings that your Google Drive storage is almost full. If you're running out of space, you might not be able to upload new files, backup photos, or receive emails properly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to free up storage space in Google Drive in 2026 using several quick and effective methods. So let's dive in. First, open Google Drive and review your current storage usage. This helps you see how much space is being used and whether the biggest storage consumers are Drive files, Gmail, or Google Photos. Knowing where your storage is going makes cleanup much easier. Next, sort or review files by size to identify the largest items in your drive. Large videos, backups, archives, and old project files often take up the most space. You might be surprised by how much room a few forgotten files are using. Once you've identified large files you no longer need, move them to the trash. Focus on outdated downloads, duplicate files, and old projects that are no longer important. Just make sure you won't need those files again before deleting them. Deleting files alone may not immediately free up storage. Google Drive keeps deleted items in the trash until they're permanently removed. So, open the trash folder and permanently delete files you no longer need. Remember that Google storage is often shared across multiple services. Large email attachments in Gmail and high-resolution photos or videos in Google Photos may also consume valuable space. Checking all storage-related services can help you recover much more space. If you've already cleaned up your files and still need more space, you may want to upgrade your storage plan. This can be useful if you regularly work with large videos, backups, or business documents. Yeah, sometimes expanding storage is easier than constantly managing file limits. And that's how to free up storage space in Google Drive. By removing large files, emptying the trash, and reviewing storage across Google services, you can quickly recover valuable space. I mean, a few minutes of cleanup can often solve storage problems completely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.